Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add race time to our game. For race time we will just go to save script and we will add two variables, race time minutes, race time seconds, just like lap times. And now we will just go to update function and we will just add a inside this function. If lap number is greater than or equal to 1, we will add this line of code which is actually similar to this, but only we have changed the lap to race. And after that we will just copy and paste this line of code here and we will change lap to race only. Okay, everything will remain same. And similarly inside the UI script we have added two more variables with the race time minutes, race time seconds text. And now here in update function, just like lap time code, we will just copy this code, okay, and just paste the same code here. Okay, I already have added, and this in the same code we have just changed the lap to race. Okay, everything will be same, and that's it. This is our script. Okay, and now it should work hopefully. So let's go to Unity and we will select our canvas. We will have two more fields here, race time minutes, race time seconds. Here we will check in values that where are the race times. So we have lap minutes and race minutes, so let's add race minutes here and race seconds here, and let's play the game and hopefully everything will fine. And you can see nothing starts because we didn't started the race. So when we will start our lap, let's see what will happen. So when we start the lap, you can see now lap time and race time started. And when we will complete the lap, so for example, also this thing is not looking good here, okay, on the road. So anyhow, so here you can see lap time and race time. So now if we reach the lap, now you can see the race time remain same, but the lap time started from beginning. Okay, that's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Allah Hafiz.